Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Amit and Suresh, so you understand it how that transaction is rolled back. So in the same scenario, the database, what it will do, it will reconstruct the database and make it consistent. The data to be consistent to available to the user. Okay. So that is how the database works in the S1. And next comes to the P1. This is also one of the major background process. What it will do in the database side, there are so many operations will happen, right? Jobs will be running, yeah, user connection. Sometimes multiple users will be connected. So what is the job of this P1 is there are some jobs will be terminated due to some memory issue or transaction. So some jobs will fail, right? So there is some job. It's a long running job is there, and that is failed due to some issue. Okay, like that, all the failed transactions, the failed processes, it will do the cleanup, right? So if the transaction is completed, that is fine. If there's in the database end, there are some cases that the some of the transactions sorry will not completed properly, will not completed till the end. So what it will do all the cleanup of the background process which uh, which are not completed. I will finish. So for example, there is one job is running and it is running for more than 1 day, and in some time it got failed. So the memory and the buffers which are allocated to the process will be remain there. So who will clean up for that buffer? So if it cleans means the buffer will be reclaimed and that can be used for other process, right? So that is the job of P1 process. So clean up the processes which are completed and at the same time which are failed. Those kind of jobs which will do like repairing. What it will do is a kind of repairing. The S1 will do is a whole recovery when any database crash happen, and the P1 what it will do when the database is running. So any it will what is the job of this one is mainly to make the database work properly. So without any issues, to do that, it will remove all the uh, unused jobs, failed jobs. It will clean up. So it will kill those processes and clean. It will remain the buffer. So you are giving some 2 GB buffer. Okay, 2 GB. So the to the HGA. So it's in the HGA. It has to use all the for insert, delete, update, for all that one. This buffer only user. So if any unwanted things will be there, so if you remove that one, the space will be reclaimed and that will be used for another process to work. So that is the job of this P1. You will more understand going further. Okay. For now, you just it use to clean up the old process which are not in use or which are failed. Is it clear or you, Amit?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. And going further, you will understand more deeper. Okay. So initially, if you are means it's a concept wise, right? So you will get some confusion, but going further, you will get better understanding. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can call me, and in our class also while going, you just call. Let me know if you are getting any doubt or if you are stopping somewhere or if you are not understanding anything. Just let me know. I will explain in deep. If you understand the architecture completely, so it is very easy to understand the whole database how it works. Right? Because the whole database works how it works. It is there in the architecture only. So if you understand that one, you will understand that you can do anything.
Yeah, okay,
That
okay,
is what
Srikanth.
I'm concentrating on this one.
Yeah, in S1, finally we can clear the successful transactions as well as failed transaction.
P1, process monitor.
P1.
Yeah.
SMON is for the whole database recovery, right?
Yeah, whole database recovery, correct.
Right.
Whenever any database restart happen, any crash happen, at that time to make the database consistent, it works to and this
For
P1 is
only for failed.
failed and failed process to clean up mainly into failed process. If the process is failed, it is not used, right? So you need to clean up so that the space will be available.
Okay, it's clear. It's now clear.
Simple. I will give an example. You are taking 10 pictures. From
Okay.
10 pictures, there are 5 pictures not captured properly. Okay, only 5 captured with good clarity and with good picture. What you will do? You will remove that 5 pictures, right?
Okay. That is in P1. Okay.
P1. Just for example, so that you can understand very fastly. So there is nothing to there is no use to keep that pictures which are not captured properly, right?
Yeah, understood, Srikanth.
Like
Understood. S1
yes,
at clear.
yeah. Same P1 also it will do all cleanup of the failed process, so that and the new process will run and they can complete their jobs.
Yeah, Srikanth, can you share syllabus through WhatsApp?
Yeah, actually they to share the syllabus, but they have not shared, and I am going with my schedule actually. So till now I have not prepared any schedule, but by tomorrow I will first I will go with the architecture, and from then we'll go with one by one topic.
Yeah, Srikanth, how many days it will take to complete this Oracle DB?
Oracle DBA, if you do, it's a very actually it's a vast subject.
Yeah.
So they give me 1 month, but it is not sufficient. But if you can do some work around from your end, so we'll understand and you can complete it.
Yeah, definitely I will do my best, Srikanth. I will work on it and try to finish, for 40 or 45 days. Okay.
Yeah, sure. And today and tomorrow also we'll discuss some more on the architecture
Okay.
for some time, and we'll go with the some topics like.
So if you want take more days, you can take. But my intention is to learn perfectly. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So
But
if
they
you
gave
want
me only 30 days. They gave me only 30 days.
only 30 days.
Yeah.
They told to me 2 to 3 months of time.
But for me, they have given only 30 days, but it is not sufficient.
Yeah, I know
Actually.
that. I know that. That's why I told to
Yeah.
coordinator Veda. He told to me 3 months it will take work to DBA like that.
Yes, it will definitely.
Yeah.
For
So
fresher, it will. There are so many topics. It's a very vast subject actually.
yeah.
So in some institutes, they will learn. They will teach in 4 to 6 months actually with the lab.
So already I told to you my intention is to learn perfectly. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to take more time, you can talk. I will talk to Mr. Coordinator Veda. Okay.
Yeah, sure. And just to go through that, there is a topic database architecture in the 5th chapter. You just read it. Okay, so that you can what I explain and you just read it and you will get have good knowledge.
Yeah. Meanwhile, you can share the syllabus so that I will prepare while before entering the class. Okay.
Yeah, sure. I will prepare the syllabus actually.
Okay.
I need to prepare the thing. Okay.
Okay.
And
Fine, Srikanth. Yeah. Tell
we
me.
will keep it for some time. And there is one topic can we discuss around along with this how the data it will store.
Okay.
I will share one screen. Okay, there is one PPT is there.
Okay.
In 5 minutes. It will take some 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
You're able to see, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when it comes to database, the data storing, okay, how the data stores, that we need to understand first actually. So it's a to easily understand this one, you can be
Yes,
best.
Srikanth, you can
Yeah.
share day-wise syllabus and content, okay? So that I can understand easily, okay?
Actually, right now I am not having any syllabus actually.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, I asked to means I am doing this for first time. So as per my experience, so how I proceed to explain you so that you can understand better. So that I'm going with that one with that plan. Actually, I asked the institute to share their schedule, but they have not shared me. So I'm going with my experience. Okay. So how if I what how to say how you will understand more easily, like that I'm going.
Okay, Srikanth.
Yeah, we'll go first. We'll discuss this one. Just for easy understanding this one, you just best BEST best. You can see the first letter of this B block. There is a block is nothing but data block. E for extents, S for segments, T for table spaces. So the block, the data which you are writing in the database, that will be stored in the database as a block only. So
Okay.
the minimum block size is 8 KB. Means before that it has 4 KB, and you will have the block size as 2, 4, 8, and 16 KBs. Okay, the default from 11G it's 8 KB. So the data which you are writing, so that will be stored in the format of block wise. So eight blocks on data will be there. Block will be there. There the data will be written. If it is having more than 8 blocks, it will add one more. It will attach one more block and write the data. So like that, if you
Yes, Srikanth, can we discuss this architecture tomorrow, if you don't mind?
yeah, no problem. Yeah,
Okay.
you're out of time, huh?
Yeah. That's right.
Sure, no problem. Yeah, we'll discuss tomorrow this one.
Okay, Srikanth. Bye, Amit. Bye.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
We will meet tomorrow.
Okay, Amit, bye.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Shrikant.
Tomorrow at what time we will meet? 11 o'clock?
11
Yeah,
o'clock?
11 o'clock.
11. Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah.